Hello, this is Sir Chris. This video is for Flyers 1A. Alright guys, nah as usual, if you haven't done the previous exercise, make sure you do the exercise first. The previous exercise is you have to do poster. Okay, you have to do poster assignment. The video is from Mr. Jordan. If you haven't done, you do that first. Actually, that assignment is for 1 week. Okay, that assignment is for 1 week. If in this video we are only going to review, only review. So it means that there is no exercise, guys. Only review. The previous exercise is for 1 week. So there are plenty of time. Make sure you utilize that time wisely. Let's start. For today, we are going to review from your grammar book, Unit 12, page 86 until 87. So for today, we are going to review grammar. Nah, this one about the past simple passive, actually I have discussed. You can see again, you can read again from your grammar book, the past simple passive. I also already tell you the pattern, how to do past simple passive. Look this. Past simple passive, what is the formula or pattern? The formula is object plus was or were plus past participle or verb 3 plus by or with plus subject. See the example. The first aeroplane was invented by Orville and Wilbur Wright. Which one is the object? The object is the first aeroplane. And then using was. The difference between was or were what? The difference between was or were. If the subject or the object is I, he, she, it, in this case, the first aeroplane is what? Aeroplane is it, of course, because it is a thing. Nah, if were, you use were if the object is you or we or they. If, for example, the aeroplanes, not the first. If aeroplanes, we can substitute aeroplanes with they, right? So if aeroplanes, the partner is were. Understand lah ya? Nah, this one, let's discuss together. We discuss number 1 until number 5. Answer these questions with past simple, passive, or active. Nah, this one can be active, can be past simple, passive. What is the difference between active and passive? If active, only verb 2. For example, I went to Bandung. I cleaned with ed. I cleaned my house. Saya membersihkan rumah saya. Membersihkan or pergi, that's active. If I say the house was cleaned, rumahnya dibersihkan. Dibersihkan or cleaned is passive. Nah, number 1, what is the answer number 1? Many people in Indonesia infected or were infected by coronavirus. Banyak orang di Indonesia terinfeksi atau menginfeksi. Infected, menginfeksi. If were infected, terinfeksi. Number 2, I still don't understand why the concert yesterday canceled or was canceled. Number 3, when I was a kid, horror movies really frightened or were frightened me. Okay, we answer lah, from number 1. Number 1, have you answered? You don't have to write on your paper. This is on the review. But if you want to write on your paper, that's good. Number one, what? Infected or were infected? Terinfeksi or menginfeksi? Terinfeksi, right? So the answer is were infected. Number two, what is the answer? Konsernya dibatalkan atau membatalkan? Dibatalkan, so was cancelled. Number three, when I was a kid, horror movies really? Ketika saya masih kecil atau ketika saya anak-anak, film horor itu menakuti saya or ditakuti saya? Menakuti or ditakuti? Menakuti, right? So the answer is frightened. This is active. Number four, Dad told us not to talk until all our meals ate or were eaten. Ayah memberitahu kami untuk tidak berbicara until semua meals that makanan, ya. Semua makanan kami dimakan or memakan. Dimakan. So were eaten. Number five, the dog by me when I was 8. Anjingnya dikasih makan atau memberi makan saya? Dikasih makan. So was fed. Easy. Okay, see next. Convert these past simple active sentences into passive ones. Yeah, so we have to change those 4 numbers. All are active sentences. Nah, we have to change all of them into passive. Number one, what? Captain America wielded like hold. Ya, menggenggam. Captain America wielded Thor's hammer in Avengers Endgame movie. What? What is the object? Which one is the object? Captain America, Thor's hammer, or Avengers Endgame movie? The object is Thor's hammer. Yeah, Thor's hammer using was or were? Hammer, only one hammer. He has only one hammer. So, if only one thing using was. And then the wielded, we change into verb 3, becomes still wielded. By who? By Captain America. Nah, this is the answer. Thor's hammer was wielded by Captain America in Avengers Endgame movie. Number 2, my sister read many Raditya Dika's books. Saudara perempuan saya banyak membaca bukunya si Raditya Dika. Ya, Raditya Dika is stand-up comedian. Nah, which one is the object? The object what? Ya. I think you already know lah ya. In one sentence, which one is the subject, which one is the verb, which one is the object. Okay. Nah, what is the object? The object is Raditya Dika's books. Ya, not only Raditya Dika ya, Raditya Dika's books. Look at the number. So, Raditya Dika's books dibaca oleh saudara saya. Many Raditya Dika's books. If books more than one. So using was or were. Books more than one. Were. Nih. Raditya Dika's books were. Nah, read. We change into past participle. Still read by my sister. Number 3. Mom cooked fried rice with omelette. The object is fried rice. And then fried rice using was or were? Rice is uncountable. Nasi goreng tidak bisa dihitung. Rice is uncountable. So if uncountable, like water, like sand, like hair, using was or were? using was. Fried rice was cooked by mom with omelette. Last number 4. Roman emperor ruled Mediterranean nations as Roman provinces. Ya, Mediterranean nations like nations, ya, nations near Mediterranean Sea, ya, negara-negara negara-negara di sekeliling Laut Tengah. Ya, Laut Tengah is in Europe, ya, in Europe, Eropa. Which one is the object? Mediterranean nations. Nah, nations, negara, ya, more than one, using word. Nah, so the answer is Mediterranean nations were ruled by whom? Roman emperor, kaisar Romawi. Mediterranean nations were ruled by Roman emperor as Roman provinces. Okay, only that, guys. Yeah, only that. As usual, yeah. If you have any English schoolwork that you need help to do, I can help you. Nah, for the previous exercise, yeah, if you haven't done making poster assignment, please you capture that work to CST admin, ya. Okay, I already insert the number. Alright, guys, thank you for listening and watching to my explanation. Don't forget to always stay safe and stay healthy. See you, guys.